On a bright and sunny day, I invite Amy for a hike. There's a trail I think you'll love. I always feel this trail holds a mysterious power, I say. As we walk, the conversation naturally flows. Amy opens up about her job.
I'm a secretary in a law office. Every day I see lawyers working hard, and it inspires me. I want to be a lawyer too. It has always been a dream of mine to be a lawyer. But there's a challenging test I need to pass. I've taken it twice now, but I didn't make it both times. My day feels really long because it's filled with work. And then night classes to prepare for the test. I get home late, exhausted. Maybe I'm just not smart enough. Maybe I'm stupid and it's time to give up on my dream.
Tears appeared in her eyes. I listened to her carefully. It reminds me of my own struggles. Amy, my job as a botanist involves experimenting with different plants. I was leading a big project. One day, I walked into my lab and found all my plants dead. I was in shock, thinking maybe my career was over. But there was one seedling that survived. That single seedling later blossomed beautifully. It helped us understand why the other plants didn't survive. This taught me an important lesson, Amy. She looks at me, waiting for me to continue. In our dreams and goals, we don't need hundreds of chances. Just one seed of motivation can make dreams come true. So, Amy, never let that seed within you die. Amy has tears in her eyes.
Ron, thank you for sharing that story with me. I really needed to hear that.
Soon after, we reached the top of the mountain. The sun is starting to set. The view is breathtaking. Amy is moved by the beautiful scenery. Taking in the fresh air, she says,
Ron, I'm gonna try really hard to pass the next test.
I told you this place has special power.
Thank you for taking me here and encouraging me. I'm really glad I came here with you.
Anytime, Amy. We should head back now before it gets dark. As we start to head back, Amy trips on a rock and almost falls. I catch her hand in time.
Thanks, Ron.
She doesn't let go of my hand. We continue down the trail, holding hands. I can't help but blush as we do. At the station, we share a casual hug and say our goodbyes. See you again, Amy.
I'll see you at the gym, Ron. Bye.
The following week, I'm dying to see Amy at the gym. When I walk in, I spot her laughing with a tall, handsome guy. I feel jealous, and I can't help but wonder where our relationship is heading.
6-question vocabulary quiz. Let's give it a shot. Question 1. You have 5 seconds to fill in the blank. Answer for number 1. Every day, I see lawyers working hard, and it inspires me. Inspire. To make someone do something great or feel something positive. Question 2. You have 5 seconds. Answer 2. I get home exhausted. Exhausted. Very tired or completely worn out from physical or mental effort. Question 3. You have 5 seconds. Answer 3. It reminds me of my own struggle. Struggle. To experience difficulty and make a great effort. Question 4. You have 5 seconds. Answer 4. My job as a botanist involves experimenting with different plants. Involve. It's a part of it, or to include something. Question 5. You have 5 seconds. Answer 5. The sun is starting to set. The view is breathtaking. Breathtaking. Something is so beautiful or amazing that it takes your breath away. Question 6. You have 5 seconds. Answer 6. Thank you for taking me here and encouraging me. Encouraging. Giving someone support, confidence, or hope. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and push that like button if you liked our content.